Hi everyone, welcome back to another video of my personal IoT demo based on a few of the Red Hat JBoss middleware products. The idea of this all-in-one version of my IoT demo is purely to give you a capability to run everything on the same system, either for demo purposes, for educational purposes, for whatever you can think of doing with it. We will start by cloning the IoT demo all-in-one Git repository. So you start at the GitHub page, you can copy the URL into your system, and on a command line just issue the command git clone and the copied URL. What you will have to do is to copy all the relevant JBoss products into the subfolder IoT_demo_all-in-one/software, and I will leave a list and links to all the relevant products in the description of this video. After that, you can go in the Ansible subdirectory and start the demo Ansible playbook. Everything that needs to be done, from cloning the other repositories, copying the files to their appropriate places, building the Java deployable artifacts, creating all the Docker images, is now done for you by the Ansible playbook. So you really do not have to do anything. Just lean back, take a cup of coffee, because this is time-lapsed, and wait for the build procedure to end. Once the Ansible playbook is done, we can use Docker images to verify that all our images have been created, and docker-compose up to start the entire all-in-one IoT demo scenario. And here again, get yourself another cup of coffee, because depending on the performance of your system, this can take a few minutes. The final message you'll want to look out for is the status of JBoss BPM, showing you how many services were successfully started. When you see that, then all is good. IoT all-in-one demo has successfully been started. In the README of the Git repo for this all-in-one demo, I created a little table for you with the URLs that you will be needing to interact with the demo. And we will start with going on the BPM suite site, log in with P. Steiner as a username, and change 12_me as a password. What we'll have to do now is we have to add our custom work item handler that I created to the repository of BPM suite. So now that this is done, we can go into the Project Explorer of BPM suite and build and deploy the process so that it can be used from the IoT demo environment. So, looks good. Going back on the console, I provided a little script for you, which is just called run.sh, which starts the software-based sensor, which is more or less a temperature sensor reporting its data. So if we go onto the admin UI of our JBoss Fuse running for the data center instance, you will see, after logging on with admin and change 12_me as a password, the number of messages being enqueued and dequeued, and this will hopefully be less than the numbers really created by the sensor, as one of the tasks that the smart gateway is doing is filtering out duplicate temperatures, so that it's totally okay that even if the script sends out 20-minute messages, that here we only see 13. And we can even get a visual representation of how many messages went through what way. Okay, to enforce an alert, there's another script which is called run high. And if you run that, he will create a message with a temperature of 30 degrees, which is above a threshold that has been defined. So as a result, a human task has been created that you can work on. Here it's just acknowledging that the temperature increased a certain value. So this completes a quick run through the all-in-one IoT demo. I hope it was helpful for you. Feel free to comment and stay tuned for new stuff to come.